They got me. I'm not even gonna front. They got me. Girl Vae, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I wanted to tell you guys about an Aliexpress company who scammed me. I usually do a thorough research prior to purchasing anything on Aliexpress. As I tell you guys, I've told you guys in previous videos, I am an Aliexpress girl. I stay within my means, my budget. I stay within my own lane. And I'm honest about where I am in my life, period. So I don't try to fake the funk. I don't try to do the most. I mean, you get what you get. You know what I'm saying? And until I get to that point where I can splurge and do the extra read all about the stuff that I want to do later on in life, and until God put those opportunities there, I'm gonna stay within my means. You get what I'm saying? So wanting to start a business, you have to, you know, reach out to these vendors, reach out to these people, reach out to these companies, and, you know, look for the things that you want for your business. So wanting us to start a lash business, I purchased some lashes from this company just to sample, just to check it out real quick, you know what I'm saying? And of course, per usual, I look at the reviews, you get what I'm saying? So girls just posting the lashes, blah, 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 blah. So I'm like, all right, cool. Maybe this is a company that I can order from. I've purchased lashes from another company as well, received those lashes. You get what I'm saying? So my mistake was not looking at the bad reviews as well. I should have did that, which now with this situation, I've learned to do that. So, all right, cool. Purchased the lashes. All right, I'm waiting.
Day 3. Day 4. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 3 weeks later. Many months later.
I'm waiting. No lashes. Mind you, when I purchased the lashes, the company reaches out to me maybe a few days later. Somebody reaches out to me and says, telling me that the lashes I picked, it was like an 83 or something like that, the style, was not in stock, and they can send me out some other lashes, or whatever the case is. And they've already placed my order as shipped, right? And that's what they do so that they don't have to give you your money back. All right, cool. And I'll post the messages on the screen. I say, so why does it say that my order shipped if you're asking me to change the style? So I get a response that says it has been shipped out and we can't change anything. Hope you can understand. I said, so why did you place the order as shipped if the item is not available? The person says, sorry for that, and they are not available now. Can you please change them with A3? And then that message, that was May 19th. I haven't heard anything from them, so then I reached out to them on June 21st, and I say, is there a reason I have not received my lashes yet? And this was, so I received some type of it seems like a you know, when you zip up your jacket, it's like the little piece that you hold to zip your jacket up. So that's what I received, right?
Boy, if you don't.
So in my mind, when I opened up the package, there was like nothing but air and it was like a little pink thing inside of there.
Got it! Got it!
I kind of like brought me back to that company, but I said, you know, maybe not. I'm gonna give them some time, right? So then on August 2nd, I realized, after looking at the bad reviews, I got scammed. right? So what do? As you can see on the screen, spam them. Scam, 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 scam. Scam, scam, scam. Scam, 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 scam. You heard? Because you're a scammer, okay? So that was, like I said, on August 2nd. On August 3rd, they said, "Dear sir, we'll resend items to you. How do you think? Could you please cancel the dispute? Because I've already disputed it at this point." I said, "No, thank you." You're not going to get a second time to do this to me again, because guess what? With another review, they did the same thing. Oh, cancel. They asked the person to cancel the dispute. They'll resend their order. Cancel the dispute. It's the same nonsense again, okay? Because you're a scammer, okay? So I said, "No, thank you. You've done this to others before, and they've waited. I saw the reviews, and your company is wrong for what you did. I want my refund." So they just keep sending me the same message. Could I cancel? Could I cancel? And I said, "No, I want a full refund." And they, on August 6th was the last message they sent, saying the same thing. And I said, "No, period. Like, no, give me my money back. Give me my money back." And like I said, with Aliexpress, do your research. If you're gonna order from any company, look at the good reviews, how many orders they've had, and then look at the bad reviews as well, just to see and compare if you want to take that risk or not to order from that company. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is my first time ever getting scammed, and it won't happen again, because period, I'm gonna be on top of that. But thank you for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.